In this video, you'll learn how to use the word arms in different phrases. Arm, singular, arms, plural, left arm, right arm. If something is very expensive, it costs an arm and a leg. To be up in arms means to be very angry or rebellious about something and to protest about it. I'd give my right arm to do that or to have that means you would like it very much. If you twist someone's arm, it means you're persuading someone to do something they don't really want to do. Here are some examples. Going on holiday in the school break costs an arm and a leg. The environmental campaign group is up in arms over the sewage issue. I'd give my right arm to win that house. I didn't want to attend the meeting, but he twisted my arm.